Hi everyone, welcome to the Defense Support Channel. Keep watching the latest news about the military. Please comment on anything you want to comment on. Like the video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.
Rostec and its United Aircraft Corps, UAC division, have unveiled a new stealthy, lightweight fighter design at the MAX 2021 show being held this week at Zhukovsky in the Moscow suburbs. The aircraft is referred to as the LTS Checkmate and is a product of the Sukhoi Design Bureau. It is marked with the registration RF0075 and the board side number Blue 75, suggesting that the type could be designated Su-75 or have the Design Bureau designation be 75. Whether the article on display is a full-scale mock-up or a test article is open to question. However, Rostec claims the LTS is ready for a flight test. Shortly before the show, Rostec released an English-language teaser video that gave little in the way of detail about the aircraft, but alluded to the fact that the Checkmate is aimed at the export market, with Argentina, India, the UAE, and Vietnam highlighted. The inclusion of the UAE is notable. At the IDX show held in Abu Dhabi in February 2017, the UAE and Russia announced an agreement on industrial cooperation on defense projects, including the development of a light fighter. It is unclear if the VKS Russian Aerospace Forces have a requirement for this class of aircraft. UAC also shared on social media some long-range photographs of the mock-up being towed under black tarpaulins to a dedicated closed display hall. It was kept under wraps pending a presentation to Russian President Vladimir Putin by Yuri Sar, UAC president, on the show's July 20th opening day. The LTS is a stealthy, single-engine aircraft that is considerably smaller and lighter than the Su-75 Checkmate, although there are some similarities, such as the shape of the cockpit cannon. In terms of configuration, the Checkmate bears some resemblance to a Northrop multi-role fighter design from the early 1990s. It has a cropped delta wing, widely splayed tail fins, and dispenses with horizontal stabilizers. The movable fins act as riveters, providing control in both pitch and U-axis, while the SO engine has a multi-axis thrust vectoring nozzle. Perhaps the most striking feature is the intake, an under-slung-chin inlet that wraps around the lower fuselage but with a flat underside, reminiscent of the intake of the X-32, Boeing's unsuccessful competitor in the Joint Strike Fighter program. Su-75 commented that a two-seat version and an unmanned derivative are being considered. Either side of the forward fuselage are weapon bays for two short-range air-to-air missiles, while three longer-range weapons can be carried in the lower bay. An internal gun is also installed. As with the Lockheed Martin F-35, the LTS is expected to be able to carry weapons on external pylons for non-stealthy operations. Maximum combat load is 7.4 tons, including a range of air-to-surface weaponry. TOW is believed to be around 18 tons. The aircraft is advertised as being Mach 1.8 capable, and range without external fuel is quoted as 2,800 Kelvin M. It is intended to supercruise fly supersonically without the use of afterburner, and is rated for 8G maneuvering. Its thrust vectoring engine and aerodynamic configuration would bestow a degree of super maneuverability on the type. The power plant appears to be the NPO Saturnus Galea 30 engine, which also powers the Su-57 twin jet. The LTS has an open systems architecture and incorporates an automated logistics system known as MATRISC, similar in scope to the F-35's Alice Odin systems. Artificial intelligence technology is employed to provide a self-checking function of the aircraft to reduce pilot workload. The aircraft is intended to feature an AESA radar, advanced networking communications, and a powerful defensive electronic suite. The cockpit features a wide area display and employs voice control technology.